I don't want the cats to use those because I'm gonna use that myself when I do switch later. They're good.
Granny! A lot of them aren't moving. Are they dead?
Don't look too closely. It's not a surprise they're dead. Most humans can't endure the dense amount of mana there is. Oh! Aren't you Go?
I knew you'd be here. It's been a while, but thanks for what you did back then.
My. You still recognize me after all these years and all these wrinkles. I'm honored.
Huh. Never seen a witch with so many wrinkles. Surprised you didn't take the elixir. Anyway, I've never heard of using a fake world as the base for a new world. I've got to hand it to you.
Is that witch? Is Cecilia here?
Your guess is as good as mine. This just proves I was right to keep an eye on that broken Uru.
Granny!
Like I'd fall for that again.
You. What the hell are you planning? You can travel freely between worlds. If you aren't satisfied with this world, why don't you find another?
You sure are naive for someone of the same tribe. Moving means nothing if there's no chance I can reach the upper 26 regions. It's luck that brought me here. No way in hell am I giving it up that easy. Still, this world is far from perfect. One way or another, the discordance behind the UP will show up in both of the twin worlds. The discordance is the main culprit of this red sky, you know? But giving up on this world just to look for another won't do me much good. The worlds outside of the 26. The derivation worlds are so unstable they'll fall to pieces sooner or later. The darkness rolls around in waves.